Introduction to Arewa Youth Political Gladiators. AYPG is a political organization created in 19 northern part of Nigeria plus Abuja. We committed ourselves doing this in order to create awareness among our fellow youths in Nigeria. We'll also come on with this political movement to encourage our youth and women the vital role they can play if they accept politics as a lifestyle. In addition, Arewa Youth Political Gladiators' primary assignment is to put all the youth together from different political parties and also political backgrounds. Because if we allow parties, religious, cultures, differences to come on between our youth, we are totally finished and we are going nowhere in a times of any type of development and so on. This is the reason why we committed ourselves calling the attention of the youth and women from different parts of Nigeria, especially Arewa. Let's come on together to push this heavy agenda till we reach to our final destination. AYPG also urging any kind of youth and women organization in northern part of Nigeria to accept this video introduction as an invitation for coalition or partnering with Arewa Youth Political Gladiators. (2023) coming election, AYPG will only go after a leader with quality of leadership, not a political parties, because we care nothing about which party you come from or who sent you to contest. Before AYPG accepts you as a candidate, you must to have this quality of leadership. Number 1, trust. Number 2, respect for one another. Number 3, patience. Number 4, tolerance. Number 5, accountability. Number 6, honest and be straightforward. Number 7, perseverance. Number 8, humility. Number 10, integrity. The last and final one is leadership. Under leadership, we have 5 things like this: intensive health, round-the-clock tasks, foresight, courage, knowledge of the subject matter, blueprint and work plans, and so on. Any candidate with these qualities is our candidate, and our candidate is for the massive. Thank you all for watching and listening. Kudos to you. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless Arewa Youth Political Gladiators.